Hello and welcome to day 14 of Junk Journal July. This is hosted by Meg at Meg Journals, and we are all doing these amazing prompts. There are so many cool videos out there. Just type in the hashtag Junk Journal July and you can see loads more if this is your thing and you want loads of inspiration. So I've got an idea for Torn, which is today's prompt. And I've got some stuff together, but I'm not quite sure how I'm going to do it. So this is going to be a little experiment again. And I have added a little words on there, limited edition I've put. And I did cover it in Mod Podge and I did smudge it a little bit, but do you know what? As long as it doesn't go onto my photo, I'm quite happy. So I think I'm going to try and make it, I don't know, shall I try and do it before I put it in, or shall I try and do it, I don't know, I really don't know how I'm going to do this. I have no plan, Right, I've got loads of tissue and bits. Now I think right, so that is one size. I need something to cover. Okay, right, I've got a rough idea of my size. So let's just go for it. Let's get the ruler and rip off some bits. And what we're going to do is we're going to tear out the centres. So let's start, because I don't know how this is going to go. What's the motto, girls? This could all go terribly wrong. Yep, it could. So there's my first one. And I'm going to do it again. And I know there's some clever people who've probably already done this, but I've never done this before. So it's going to be interesting. And I'm thinking of like layering these up like this, maybe. And I've got this tissue, and what I've done is I've glued two together to make it a little bit stronger. Okay, so I'm going to have to rip some of these square edges, because, you know, I don't like the square edges. And then we're going to rip the middle out of this one as well. Ta-da! Da-da-da! And layer it up. I've got my little thing for the middle. I think I'm going to use that. And I've got this piece, which I think I'd quite like on the top. Not sure yet. And I've got more. I've got loads of layers. Oops, I broke it. But that's okay. I can just stick it down anyway. I've got two more layers. I can trim the edge afterwards. I'm just trying to cut the hole about the same size. And maybe layer like this. I want to be able to see some of the other bits underneath. Maybe I'll offset them or something. I don't know how to do it. I'm just guessing. Don't tell me. Should have done that. Should have done this. I've also got some muslin or bandage, in my case, which I think would look really cool. So I'm just going to cut that edge off. Oh, these are my paper scissors. These don't really work very well on any type of fabric, really. Even this stuff, but you know, it might work. Okay, right. Da-da-da. Put the scissors down. Nothing to say you can't tear fabric as well as paper. Right, I don't think I'm going to cut a hole in that because I think it's just going to go horribly wrong. I thought I had another piece of that. I think I have. Oh, I've used it. Right, now it comes to layering it in my book, which is going to be the tricky bit. So I've got all my layers, and this one's got to go down first, obviously. So I'm thinking, that's really sweet. And I thought, it's out of the bag was quite cool for this. Oh, come on. Are we not going to play? Right, okay. We'll go with the glue stick then. Glue stick it is. Oh. I do have a pizza thing I can glue on. Same one. Same one as I had before. So let's just go with, hopefully this is the next size. And we're going to glue it down. I told you this was all going to be about experimenting. I'm going to find things I like and things I don't like. I can cut the edges if I want to. Right. I don't know how this is going to work. Let's fold that. I'm going to get in the right mess otherwise. Put one of these on. Can you see everything? I think you can see most of everything. I could move up because now this is going to be tricky to do without me tearing. Oh, come on, don't tear. Do not tear. I should have doubled this up as well. This is from some shoes. Oh, wrinkle that up there, that's perfect. And obviously a book page. Everything's recycled. I quite like doing this. I don't think there's anything horrible on there. I hope not. Right, let's put another piece of this tissue on. Don't rip. Don't rip. I'm going to try and make it a bit smaller, like this. I think that works. We can glue down the edges in a minute. And I'm going to do that with this one as well. Oops, I didn't glue that bit. I'm going to put it on and then sort of scrunch it a little bit. Oh, hello. Book's closing. Like that. And then I might, because I can't see that now, I might tear a little bit more. I should wait till it's dry. Wait till it's dry, Carol. Okay. The bottom ones should be dry. Ew. Ew. Stuck. And I'm going to take that little bit off from where the kitty's face is because I can't cover up the kitten's face. And I've got this one last piece, which I might use that way to hide the mess that I made there. It's all about hiding up your mess. I still want to see my... It's out of the bag. Okay. Oh, what didn't I do? What didn't I do? Hang on. Come back up. Didn't put me muslin on. I wanted to put this on, didn't I? just for something different. That's not going to stick. Will that stick? What do you think? Should we try it? Might do. Doesn't matter if it comes out the bottom. Seems to be working. And then we'll put this one on, which now I've got to re-glue. I don't know. I might find something else because I don't like it that it's ripped. Let's find another piece. Maybe some music paper would work. That's not big enough. Let me just try some music paper. If not, we'll use that other one. Okay, so just make a hole, and then I'll make it bigger if I need to. Yeah, just a bit without ripping. The sides. Do I like that? I think I like it if it's a bit more this. I think this will be nice. We'll see. I'm not going to put it down just yet. I'm just going to distress it a bit and then we'll have a look. Let's have a look. What do we think? Apart from the fact it's upside down. I like it better. I do. It's going down. This is supposed to be a quick, isn't it? This is supposed to be my quick journaling. Not the let's think about it for 2 days and then do one. Haven't got time for that. One a day means you have to be quick. And I think I'm loving it. Ha ha! Look at that. I might even throw some stuff away. Get me throwing scraps away. I think my glue stick is nearly run out. To get some more. Thank you, Teresa, for that. That's kept me going for quite a while. Right. Now what we need is some sort of title. And I did get out my book because in fact I used it on here. No, I didn't. That was something different because I couldn't find anything on here. So what can we put on? How about this one? Hold tight and pretend it's a plan. That's the story of my life. I'm just going to cut it into 2 bits and we're going to put them up here in this little space. And I might just nip that bit off. Do I mind that going over the top? A little bit. Okay. Happy? I quite like that. And what we're going to do is just pop on I've got these ones out now. Number 14. So we're going to write it here. Oops. Maybe. I need to find my other pen again. So number 14 was torn. There we go. We're nearly halfway through the month. Tomorrow is day 15, which is tucked away. Oh, that'll be nice. Nice little tuck spot. Okay, I will see you tomorrow, guys. And thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed it. And I will see you again very soon. I'm just tidying up while I'm talking to you. Thank you, guys.